My name is Rudolf Michel, and I'm the head of application development and product management at the Application Center Beer and Alcoholic Beverages in Kitzingen. What is Brewery 4.0 all about? It's basically a vision where we have put together our ideas how brewing industry could look like in 2025, for example. And the main elements we have here is to design, in the end, a lean brewery to enable the customer to manage the challenges of the next 10 or 15 years. The new elements of the Brewery 4.0 are, let's say, 5 key elements. Let's start with the production. We have transferred the production, which is currently batch-oriented, to a continuous operation. So the brew house will have a continuous operation. Instead of 12 batches a day, we are delivering a constant flow to the fermentation area. As well, the fermentation is transferred from the batch-oriented system into a continuous operation. So this is a new design of the process. And last but not least, we have to change the supply chain management of the brewery and to modify that. It's more in the direction as a lot of these alcohol-free beverage industry is working. So we have a late differentiation of the product. We are transforming the process into producing mother beers, which are transformed and modified by dosing and additives at a very late stage prior to packaging into the final product. And to manage these kind of supply chain, we also need a step change in the data flow. Currently, in the current industry, the data is flowing with the product from the raw material to the supermarket. And the idea we have is that the level of stocks in a supermarket is managing the supply chain. And this requires an information flow, which is a different direction to the product flow. So the information comes from the end consumer and goes to the raw material supplier of the brewery. And last but not least, we want to transform the data which are currently available in the PLC systems into decisions, or we want to prepare decisions with these data. Currently we have, let's say, batch-oriented data, and our idea is to use long-term trends, for example, to prepare management decisions with that data. The main benefit for the customer will be in the end that he will speed up in his reaction to the market. So the consumer is acting and reacting very quickly, and the current installation of the brewing industry is not able to follow these quick changes in demand. And with these new setup, the just-in-time, the Kanban control supply chain management tool and the big data we are having to prepare management decision, we are enabling our customer to react very quickly to the market, to have then a lean production which is very cost-effective because of this mother brand strategy, which reduces tied in capital because the stocks are reduced in the warehouse, in the BBT, and so we can create a lot of attractive customer benefits for our clients.